10 things that make men instantly dislike you. Psychology. A woman undoubtedly wants to attract men, particularly her own man. Knowing how to make your partner pleased with you is useful. Sometimes a man's feelings for you might fade due to a particular action. It may occur in a marriage or in a casual dating relationship. If you believe nothing is wrong, yet your partner appears unhappy, there may be something you are doing wrong. Therefore, it's a good idea to be aware of everything that might turn him off, which you can learn right now in this video. 1. Revealing something extremely personal early on in a relationship. People tend to like one another better after sharing a secret. One of the strongest strategies for adult friendship making is self-disclosure. However, psychologists warn against sharing too personal information with someone you're just starting to know, such as the fact that your sister is having an extramarital affair. Doing so might come across as insecure and make you less likable. The secret is to develop the right degree of intimacy. According to a 2013 Illinois State University study directed by Susan Sprecher, sharing your interests and best childhood experiences might help you come off as friendlier and more approachable. 2. Competitiveness. One of the things that can turn him off of you is your competitive nature. It might be irritating to always want to win. The behavior reveals this person's egotistical nature. This can be one of the indications that your partner and you aren't getting along. 3. Jealousy. Women are capable of having the attribute of jealousy, but being jealous too quickly is never attractive. Being jealous of a man who is solely helping his female relative or female friend is not natural. 4. Gossiping. Oh my goodness, no. A lady speaking negatively about other people is perhaps one of the least attractive things ever. It causes individuals to consider what you could be saying about them to others behind their backs. Try to follow the sage advice of say nothing at all if you have nothing good to say. Men, on the other hand, adore it when women make complimentary remarks about other people. One of the most desirable traits you can acquire is the ability to see the best in people. 5. Acting too cutesy. Being cute is fine, but if it's all an act, it might be annoying. A man may become wary of you if you are extremely whiny and childish. The majority of men like women who act their age. To avoid the error of being too immature for him, be aware of all the differences between dating a girl or a woman. 6. Possessiveness. It's not a good thing for a woman to be possessive and too protective. Nobody, not even your partner, wants to be told what they can and cannot do. 7. Constantly seeking attention. There is nothing wrong with a lady seeking attention. However, it is an issue if you are always desiring it from your man. You might be interfering with his work, which could be fatal. 8. Nosiness. Nosiness is another factor that may cause him to dislike you. Because you're being too nosy, your partner will become tired of you. This type of behavior may completely destroy a relationship. 9. Never want to be alone. Some women like to have their partner by their side at all times. The man must accompany them everywhere they go. It's natural to want to spend time with the person you care about, yet it might irritate him. He may have other plans that you are not allowing him to carry out. 10. Little wisdom. Men like it when women are well versed in a variety of subjects. A lady with little knowledge can bore a man. Communication is crucial in every relationship. He won't be interested in you if you can't connect with him via conversation. Whew, you made it all the way to the end. Congratulations. If you can eliminate these 10 characteristics from your life, you are far more likely to attract someone who has similarly eliminated them from their life. The greatest method to locate a man who doesn't do these ugly things is to make sure you're free of them as well. Thanks for watching.